still remember the light in your eyes on the first night that we met. Your warmth and style, a welcome surprise. Something about you I could not forget. I could not forget. When we decided to meet again, feelings were vibrant and true. All of these years I'd been calling this in. I knew I'd found it with you. Oh, I knew. Oh, I knew. So lay down these roots with me. Grow this love into the tallest tree, where the branches stretch wide, with you by my side, through the wind and the rain and the sun. Darling, you are my favorite one. This, the beginning of adventures unknown, in this beautiful changing romance. Look at the depths and the ways we have grown, as we share and we sing and we dance. Oh, we share and we sing and we dance. All of these faces gather around, our dear ones from far and near. I stand before you on this sacred ground and celebrate what led us here. All the journeys that led us here. So lay down these roots with me. Grow this love into the tallest tree, where the branches stretch wide, with you by my side, through the wind and the rain and the sun. Darling, you are my favorite one. You are my favorite.
God, you're beautiful. For a long time, I'd avoided the callings of my heart. I'd avoided commitment and deep relationships and making promises. I was afraid to put my heart too far from my chest for fear of being hurt again, afraid of being perceived as too sentimental, and afraid of failing due to my inadequacies. And yet I still fantasized about the perfect relationship. I wrote in my journals about the kind of relationship I desired. Then I met you, and everything in those journals was being written into reality. You made me feel safe, seen, and with you, I am good as I am, more than enough. Annie, you are my lover, my best friend, my beloved, my dance partner, my co-pilot, my 95%, maybe 97% today. You're my anchor, my queen, my goddess. Darling, you are my favorite one. I want love. I want marriage. I want this wedding. And I want it with you. You are the answer to my why. I choose you because everything and every day is better.
The way you love me with such steadiness and compassion gives me the courage to look honestly at myself. Carson, I trust you so completely. And feeling this trust and receiving your genuine acceptance and generosity, I'm able to soften and feel safe in a relationship. You have this unwavering willingness to lean into our next growth edge as a couple. Even when it's uncomfortable, you are always open and ready to work through conflict and find our way to repair and reconnection. Of all the people in the world, I'm here with you. It's you coming into my life and joining me on this path that allows me to live out this part of my heart's purpose. I stand here humbled by the power of my dreams made manifest. Our connection is so solid. We share many interests. We have so much fun together. It warms my heart that you've enthusiastically embraced the people that I love. It is the accumulation of all of these things and more that allowed me to answer with such an unequivocal yes when you proposed on that beautiful evening at Yellowstone. You are strong, wise, and kind. Your love gives me a solid foundation from which I can launch and be the best version of myself in the world. I feel incredibly blessed and proud to be by your side. Thank you for walking through this grand human experiment with me. I'm excited to vision and dream big with you to continue to build our best lives together. You are my person, my lover, and my best friend. You are my respite, my teacher, and my travel partner, my confidant, my cheerleader. You know all my stories, all my wounds, all my fears, and all my joy. I believe in you. I believe in us. I love you. I choose you.
Carson and Annie, it gives me great pleasure to now declare you husband and wife.
Yeah. Today. Said I woke up to the summer shining through. Calling on my friends asking what's the move. Feeling a little different, I'm on something new. Today. I ain't gonna let no clouds get in my way. The only road I'm walking is the one I pick. Catch me sitting in the sun, no time for shade. Today. This is the day that the Lord has made, and I ain't gonna let it slip away. I'm gonna be joyful. Yes I am. I'm gonna be joyful. Today, I'm gonna be joyful. Ooh, I'm gonna be joyful. I got that feeling that you get when you get new kicks. Bell ringing on the last day of singing, yeah. High-fiving everybody, but we out of here. Today. So fast, life comes and goes. Make it last, best slow your roll. They don't take it as a choice, but you gotta know that today's the day. This is the day that the Lord has made, and I ain't gonna let it slip away, nah. I'm gonna be joyful. Ooh, I'm gonna be joyful. Today, I'm gonna be joyful. Yes I am. I'm gonna be joyful. Today. I got the joy down in my heart, down in my heart, down in my heart. I got the joy down in my heart, down in my heart, down in my heart. I got the joy down in my heart, down in my heart, down in my heart. I got the joy down in my heart. Today.
Every step, a release from our sorrows, escape from regret, toward a peaceful tomorrow. Wherever the love goes, I'll surely follow. I will stand tall, I will not fall, no. This is the way it should be every day. Every day till it washes away. This is the way it should be every step of the way. Every day, away, 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 away. This is the way it should be every day. Away, 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 away. This is the way it should be every day. I love you, baby.